welcome back. And then for now, this is I show you my earnings. So this is the diamond, and minimum withdraw in diamond is $5 and equivalent to 10,000 dias. So it's very small. So and this is available withdraw to dias, and $10, $15, $20, $50, and of course $200. So for me, I withdrew as $5 last week. So I can show you. So this is my withdrawal history. I withdraw history is updated as $10 is 5 at 10 diamond and equivalent of $5. So this is my settled withdraw and diamond. So what are you waiting for? Try this HiFami application. This is available on Google Play Store for Android user. So watch out. So I put my referral link for your try in this app. So watch out. Thank you. Bye bye. You can join my family and Mommy Jill's from PH. I can show you. I'm Mommy Jill's from PH. This is my family. So ayan. This is my Mommy Jill's from PH. You can join my family and apply to become star to earn diamond. So let's go. Bye bye. Shall we?